Effortlessly Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 dovetail equipment trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as a breakaway cable and a chain box. There is a heavy-duty jack and a bumper pull hitch. There is a corrosion repair paint on the outside of this equipment, as well as pressure treated wood flooring. You do have a step up D-rings as well as stake pockets on the side. There is a passenger side front tire mount. This trailer has diamond plate fenders as well as stand up ramps. They're secured with pen arm locks. This trailer has LED brake lights, your dovetail. This trailer does come equipped with two 6,000-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. Once again, this is a 7x16 dovetail equipment trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.